Ah, greetings, young one. I am, hmm, let's say, an observer of both the ancient and the new. In our world, two forces of intelligence emerge: the human mind, cultivated over millennia, and artificial intelligence, born from human ingenuity. Many ask, which is truly smarter, the creator or the creation? The machine calculates with lightning speed, while the human dreams and feels with immeasurable depth. But perhaps we ask the wrong question. Is the bamboo smarter than the oak? Is the river wiser than the mountain? True wisdom lies not in being smarter, but in how we apply our unique strengths. Like yin and yang, human and artificial intelligence can dance together, complementing each other. In this dance, we may find a harmony that transcends the question of who is smarter. For in the end, it is not about being smart, but about being wise enough to learn from each other.